we're going today to the Rinku outlets. So going there from Nambay, we're gonna ride in the Nagahoribashi train, and then after platform 1, and then
4 stops.
After 4 stops, we're gonna go down to another train. Anong station?
Tengachuya.
Tengachuya. Hindi ko alam. So bababa tayo from Namba, bababa tayo sa Tengachuya, and then we're gonna transfer to the airport line.
Then 2 stops.
And then 2 stops from there. Yun na. Rinku Premium Outlets.
But from the train station, you have to walk like 10 minutes.
10
But
minutes.
you go through a mall, so it's not that bad kung mainit.
So hindi mainit. Okay, see you later. So guys, from the Nangkai station, you need to go out. From the basta yung dulo na stop. Nakalimutan ko na. You need to go out and then transfer to the Nangkai line. And then you need to take the platform to the Rinku City and then Airport Express. Yun yung 1027. So we're just waiting for our train.
We're going to the outlet in Rinku.
So we went down the Rinku station.
Yeah.
So mali yung nasakyan namin. Hindi pala kami nag-express. We rode the regular. So 8 stops, sobrang tagal. Supposed to be 2 stops lang and then Rinku town na. Na-delay kami sa elevator by a few minutes.
Nasingitan na naman kami ng
Sige
mga
Chinese. Ano ba yan? Kasi kailangan namin mag-elevator because of the stroller. So yun, kaya mali yung train na nasakyan. But we're here now and it's now 11:12.
Walk through that.
Okay.
So this is the path going to the outlet.
Ito yung
So
just follow the...
just follow the
You don't need to walk in the under the sun. May shaded area. Then later, we'll show you around Rinku. Ito, ano pa to, mall. Parking lot, maraming parking. Kung may kotse kayo.
inside the mall unless
Parang close pa yung, ba't parang malungkot yung mall? Parang close.
pa 11 o'clock ang
11 o'clock pa ang opening. Pero 11:13 na. Parang ano siya. Sad mall.
Saka hindi yan discounted kaya it's full price. So
doon lang tayo sa ano.
bargain hunters will not go there.
Doon lang tayo sa outlet. Sa discounted. We're here na in Rinku. So first stop, ayan, yun yung overview of Rinku.
First stop is Lego.
Dirego daw muna si Raizo. So we're now having lunch. And here, meron silang
Under repair siya.
Food court.
Puno ito. Saka iba-ibang ano.
Yeah. Oh. Kaya, buti medyo konti ang tao.
Under renovation.
So we ordered lang takoyaki kasi parang medyo busog pa ako. And then sila Rester nag-order lang, sila Sir nag-order ng ramen at wala pa. Medyo konti lang yung food choices. Bakit parang, oo nga parang dati hanggang dun to eh, no? Konti. Maraming under repair.
Nalala ko may tonkatsu.
Tapos ang namin kumain guys.
Crepes are good.
Kumain si I ate takoyaki lang. And then si Ria, takoyaki din. And then dessert.
Crepe.
We're going now to Lacoste. Ayan sila.
Hello!
Konnichiwa! Konnichiwa! Ayan sila. Sa baba.
Dami siya.
So ito yung Rinku.
Rocky!
Punta tayo sa Lacoste. Tingnan natin kung may sale.
2 buy 10% off 3 buy.
So
You
ito
buy
yung
3 lang?
210. May mga
It's
sale,
on a bus, you
sale.
guys. So you need to get like fan.
Oh, sige. Ikaw mag-vlog.
Bakit ako?
Pakita mo na yung mga ano. stuff.
Merch.
Ito. Rubber shoes, guys.
Nag-rest si Aya. Ito yung shoes, sapatos nila. Yung mga polo.
Hey guys, so mabalik na kami ng hotel. We're just finished with
Pakita po. So we're gonna take the train
outlet. So we're gonna take the train. Saan?
all the way back to the hotel.
Yung 4:15.
4:10. 4:10.
4:10. So, guys, how was your outlet experience? What did you buy?
Crocs.
Good?
Crocs now.
So, you bought Crocs. Di ba mura?
Bodyguard.
Mga bodyguard ni Achi daw.